Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Cracker Hori. I am Oni Machine. In this channel, specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc Engineering and higher class also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the mean and variance of normal distribution. Okay, let's start. As we know that PDF of normal distribution, probability density function of normal distribution is 1 by sigma into root over of 2 pi into e to the power minus x minus x minus m. Finally we show that it will be the mean by 2 sigma square. Okay, PDF of normal distribution. Mean and expectation of normal distribution is x. X be the random variable which follows normal distribution here. Integration minus infinity to plus infinity x fx dx. Okay, minus infinity to plus infinity x 1 by sigma into root over of 2 pi into e to the power x minus m whole square by 2 sigma square dx is equal to 1 by sigma into root over of 2 pi integration minus infinity to plus infinity x into e to the power minus x minus m whole square by 2 sigma square dx. To solve this integration, we have to put x minus m by root 2 sigma equals to z. X minus m equal to root 2 sigma z, dx equal to root 2 sigma dz. Okay, limit of the integration remains unaltered for this substitution. Okay, therefore 1 by sigma into root over of 2 pi minus infinity to plus infinity for x we have to put this value into this one, m plus root 2 sigma z into e to the power minus z square as whole square of this is equals to z square into dx root 2 sigma dz. Equals to 1 by root pi integration minus infinity to plus infinity m into e to the power minus z square dz plus root 2 sigma integration minus infinity to plus infinity z into e to the power minus z square dz. As limit is minus infinity to plus infinity and the function is an odd function, therefore the value of integration will be 0. Okay. Therefore 1 by root pi into m into integration minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus z square dz. As it is an even function, therefore 2 into m to root pi 0 to infinity e to the power minus z square dz. As fz equal to e to the power minus z square, f of minus z equal to e to the power minus of minus z whole square, that means e to the power minus z square, that means f of z. Therefore fz is an even function. Okay, even function. Therefore it will be 2 into 0 to infinity e to the power minus z square into dz. Now we put z square equal to t, 2z dz equal to dt, dz equal to dt by 2z, z means root under t, therefore half into t to the power minus half dt. Limit will remain unchanged. Root pi 2m by root pi into integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus t into half t to the power minus half dt. M by root pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power half minus 1 dt. As we know that gamma n equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into x to the power n minus 1 dx. From these it can be written as gamma half. Again we know that gamma half equal to root pi. Therefore m by root pi into root pi. After cancellation it will be m, mean of the normal distribution. Okay. Now we have to find the variance of normal distribution. To find the variance of normal distribution, first of all we have to find the value of ex square. Similarly, ex square is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x square into fx sigma into root over of 2 pi into e to the power minus x minus m whole square by 2 sigma square dx. Sigma into root over of 2 pi minus infinity to plus infinity. Similarly, we have to put x minus m by root 2 into sigma equals to z. Therefore, dx equal to root 2 sigma dz and x equal to root 2 sigma z plus m. Okay. Root 2 sigma z plus m whole square into e to the power minus z square into root 2 sigma dz. Okay, 1 by root over of pi integration of minus infinity to plus infinity 2 sigma square z square 2 sigma square z square plus m square plus 2 root 2 sigma mz into e to the power minus z square dz. Okay, 1 by root over of pi minus integration minus infinity to plus infinity, limit of z will remain unchanged in this case, as x tends to infinity z tends to also infinity. For minus infinity z also tends to minus infinity. Okay, 2 sigma square into z square e to the power minus z square dz, and that of m square integration minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus z square dz. As z into e to the power minus z square is an odd function, therefore the integration of this equal to 0. Okay, now we have to put z square equal to t to solve these two integration. Okay, z square equal to t, therefore 2z dz equal to dt, therefore dz equal to dt by 2z, that means 2 into root over of t, half t to the power minus half dt. Limit will be unchanged. 1 by root pi 2 sigma square integration, as it is an even function, so we can write this 0 to infinity 2 into 0 to infinity z square, means t into e to the power minus t into half t to the power minus half dt plus m square 2 into 0 to infinity e to the power minus t half t to the power minus half dt. Some calculations are there, but very easy to solve. Okay, one by root over of pi into 2 sigma square into integration 0 to infinity t to the power plus half into e to the power minus t dt plus m square integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power minus half dt. Okay, 1 by root pi 2 into sigma square integration 0 to infinity t to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 e to the power minus t dt m square 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power half minus 1 dt. From gamma function we know that it will be converted into gamma 3 by 2 and that of integration eto will be gamma half. As we know that gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n, therefore 2 sigma square into half gamma half. Gamma half is equal to root pi, m square into root pi. Therefore sigma square plus m square. Variance, therefore variance x equals to variance x is equal to ex square minus ex whole square. Ex means sigma square plus m square and ex square means sigma square plus m square and ex means m. Therefore sigma square, variance equals to sigma square and standard deviation is d is equal to root over of sigma square, that means sigma. Very easy to solve. If any doubt, please comment me. I will clear your doubt, and thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.